Welcome back, students. 120 days optimal plan for prelims 2023. Today we're going to discuss the 5 questions from percentage, day 16. Let's start with this first question. The 1 minute starts now. Your time ends. Right. So, a student has to get 40% marks to pass an examination. Suppose he gets 30 marks and failed by 30 marks. Then what are the maximum marks in the examination? This is a model. This kind of questions are frequently asking in several examinations. Look at this, guys. 40 is the park mass. So, look at this. 40 should taken out of 100. So this is the pass mark, right? Out of 100 marks, he need to take 40 marks. Now they says that suppose he gets 30 marks and fails by 30 marks. That means he got 30, fails by 30. 30 means what? Actually, he need to get 60 marks to pass. Okay, so initially out of 100, 40 is pass mark. Now they said 60 is pass mark. That means out of mark is different. Okay, so that's it. We need to find. So just cross multiply this, you will get the answer. So 100 into 60 over 40. So just cancel this and cancel this numbers too. Then I will cancel this to 50. 50 into 3 is 150. That is the right answer. Is it clear? Next problem. Start doing this. Yes. In this question, Nishant spends 40% of the amount he received from the father on hostel expense. So let's take 100% is the initial amount. He spends 40% initially and 20% on books and stationery. So then 20% on books and stationery and 50% of remaining. If you look at the word remaining, okay, don't see, look at this remaining or rest of the amount. So these words, if you see, means okay. Before that, just I will take the answer. 100 minus 40 plus 20 is 60. So remaining is 40. Okay. From this 40 percentage, I need to take 50. That is why they call this as remaining amount from the rest of the amount. Okay. So this 40% of the amount I had in my hand, from this 40% I need to take 50% to the transport. So what is 50% of 40 percentage? 20. So I take 20% to transport, so the remaining is 20% in my hand. So now he saves rupees 450 rupees. Okay, so 450, the amount is 450, which is half of the remaining amount. So remaining amount is 20, half of the remaining amount is 10. So 10% is equal to 450. Now the question is, how much money did he get from his father? 100%. So 10% is 450, means 100% will be 4,500. That is the right answer. Clear? Next question. Start doing this. Yes. When these kind of question, first of all, we need to write this equation. 20% of A is equal to B. Then B percent of 20 is equal to what? This is what the question. Here, look at this, guys. Two variables doesn't have any numbers. Okay, so A I don't know, B also I don't know. If only one variable is given, means I can find the answer. But when it is two variables, means just imagine, take any one value and find out the other value. Okay, I'm going to give an optional number to A. Let's take 100. If A is 100, what is 20% of A? 20% of A is 20. So B will be 20. If A is 100, means B is 20. Let's take B is 20. 20% of 20. What is 20% of 20? 10% is 2, 20% is 4. Right? So the question is, look at this. All the options are given like 4% off, 5% off, 20% off A. Everything is compared with A. So this A is 100. Okay. 4 is what percent of A? Okay, 4 is 4% of A. That's what the right answer. Is it clear? If you take any one number for A and start completing this problem, and after that just compare 4 and A. 4 is 4% of 100. So that is the right answer. Right. Next question. Start doing this. Yes, in this question, Priya decided to donate 30% of her monthly income to an orphanage, but on the day of donation, she changed her mind and donated rupees 4,200. Okay, look at this, guys. Initially, Priya decided to donate 30% of her monthly income. That means 30% of her income. Income is not given in this question, so I will take X. right? But later she donate 4,200 rupees. So she gave 4,200 rupees, but this is not 30%. Look at this, which is 70% of what she had earlier decided. What she earlier decided first. So earlierly she decided to give 30% of X. From that she gave only 70%. Okay, 70% of 30% of X. These 4-line question, 3-line question is only a single equation. Is it clear? Right. Now, how can we get answer for this? In class itself I had explained. So just cancel the 0. When you had percentage of percentage, just cancel the 0. 7 into 3 is what? 21. Exactly, Priya gave 21% of her salary. That is 4,200. 4,200 is not 30% or 70%. It is exactly 21% only. So what is the question here? What should be the actual donation as per her earlier decision? Earlierly she decided to give 30% of her salary. So 30% is what? That's what the exact question. Right? So if you cross multiply this, you will get the answer. Look at this. This numbers, easy numbers, 21, 42, 2 times. 3 into 2 is 6. 6,000 is the right answer. Is it clear? Next question. Start doing this. In this question, a shopkeeper sells an article at 40 rupees. Okay, so that he gets a profit. So this gives profit. And when he sells that for 20 rupees, right, same percentage of loss. So what is the original cost of the article? In this kind of question we need to understand one thing, that is, if I bought a mobile phone for 1,000 rupees, okay, if I sell it for 1,500, I will get 500 rupees profit. And if I sell the same mobile for 500 rupees, I will get same 500 rupees loss. That means if both are same, profit and loss are same, the cost price will be middle of these two values. If I sell it for 1,500, 500 rupees profit. If I sell it for 500, 500 rupees loss. So profit and loss are same, means my cost price will be middle of that. So here they says that if I sell it for this amount, what percentage I got profit, same thing will be become loss when I sell it for 20. So my cost price will be middle of this number. So 40 plus 20 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2, that is 30. 30 rupees is the right answer. Right. So Prelims Optima 2023 conducting so many programs like 120 days study plan, 1.5 years Optima, current affairs notes, 12 months Prelims power play compilations, and so on. So if you are interested, you can join in the Telegram group. Number is given. So all the very best guys. Meet you in the next session. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.